right? So if we die, then we live. There's an aspect of us that has to live eternally because there's an aspect of us that's temporal.
You got the gig next, right?
Like ethereal, like cathartic.
Like the Logan's Run's future. Remember the Logan's Run future? Everybody.
Like we have a pit sim. I guess if it was half Shih Tzu and half Pitbull, it'd be.
So it's me, Dr. Phil, and you know.
Tootsie came out in the 80s.
Oh, okay.
Macho women are ugly, ugly women are massive macho. And I don't want to get into it.
How do you know she had a dream?
She told me.
In my evening dress that I wore to one premiere.
Are you okay? Everything's good? He had bad breath, though. I know, God rest his soul, but he had bad breath.
And you got.
I really enjoy 7-Up. Someone who probably smells just, like $1 million.
Where it's tit sucking, bubble blowing, midnight meatball.
Okay. Boy, killing it, boy, killing it.
And then in the record company.
What's your favorite soft drink?
Convert that form and transmute it into something a little more productive.
So with that, do you believe in life after death?
That's a deep philosophy. Killing it, boy.